The importance of understanding heat island effect. As our world becomes increasingly urbanized, the phenomenon known as heat island effect is gaining attention due to its significant environmental impact. Heat islands are urban areas that experience significantly higher temperatures compared to their surrounding rural areas. Understanding the causes and consequences of heat islands is crucial for developing effective strategies to reduce their effects. This session explores the definition of heat island, their environmental impact, and the connection between urbanization and increased temperatures, and the role of solar reflective surfaces in reducing the heat island effect. Heat islands refer to urban areas categorized by significantly higher temperatures than their non urban surroundings. The primary causes of heat islands are the replacement of natural landscapes with impervious surfaces such as asphalt, concrete, and the concentration of human activities along with infrastructure in urban areas. These surfaces absorb and retain heat, leading to elevated temperatures in these urban environments. The environmental impact of heat islands is substantial. Higher temperatures in urban areas contribute to increased energy consumption for cooling, resulting in elevated greenhouse gas emissions.